Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only intriguing but can also potentially turn your passion into a profitable venture. That's right, we're talking about YouTube channel and ad revenue, turning passion into profit. If you are excited about personal finance, investing, and seeking ways to generate passive income, you've come to right place. So, let's jump right in. Segment 1, The Power of YouTube. You know, the digital age has opened up incredible opportunities for sharing knowledge and connecting with like-minded individuals. And what better platform to do this than YouTube? With over billions of monthly users, it's a goldmine for creators like us who are passionate. Think about it, whether you are an expert, a beginner, or just curious, YouTube offers a vast audience hungry for education. By offering valuable insights, tips, and strategies, you not only establish yourself as an authority but also pave way for potential ad revenue and collaborations. Segment 2, Building your YouTube brand. Creating a successful YouTube channel starts with building a strong brand presence. Here are some key steps to keep in mind. Category selection. Choosing a category is crucial. Focus on a specific area. Whether it's budgeting, stock market analysis, real estate, or passive income strategies, picking a category allows you to target a dedicated audience seeking precisely what you offer. Content strategy. Plan your content carefully. Providing a variety of content keeps your audience engaged. Craft a well-rounded content strategy. Create a mix of content, including educational videos, how-tos, case studies, and trend analysis. This variety keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of building an audience. Set a realistic upload schedule that suits your availability. Consistent uploads establish reliability and keep viewers eagerly awaiting your content. Engagement. Engage with your audience in the comments section. Address their questions, take suggestions, and foster a sense of community. Building a sense of community encourages viewers to return and become long-term subscribers. Branding elements. Develop a recognizable brand identity. Choose a memorable channel name that reflects your content. This includes a catchy channel name, logo, banner, and even an intro video that reflects your content style. Segment 3, Maximizing views and subscribers. Views and subscribers are the lifeblood of any YouTube channel. Let's explore some strategies to attract and retain your audience. Compelling thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see. Make them intriguing and relevant to your content to entice clicks. These elements are your first impression on potential viewer, so make them enticing to increase click-through rates. SEO and keywords. Optimize your videos for search engines. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Engaging content. Create content that addresses real problems, answers burning questions, and provides actionable advice. The more value you deliver, the more likely viewer will subscribe and share. Share practical tips, real-world examples, and insights that genuinely help your viewer improve their situation. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your category. This cross-promotion exposes your channel to a wider audience and can lead to mutual growth. Call to action, CTA. Always include a clear CTA. Encourage viewer to subscribe, like, comment, and share your videos. This boosts engagement, increases your video's visibility, and potentially leads to more subscribers. Segment 4, Ad Revenue and Monetization. Now, let's talk about the juicy part, turning your passion into profit through ad revenue and monetization. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YPP. Being accepted allows you to start earning from ads displayed on your videos. Ad formats. YouTube offers various ad formats like skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and display ads. These ads are targeted based on viewer interests, increasing the chances of engagement. Ad revenue factors. Your ad revenue depends on factors like video length, viewer demographics, and engagement rates. Longer videos often generate more revenue, so consider creating comprehensive content. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Beyond ad revenue, explore additional income streams. Partner with brands for sponsored content that aligns with your category. You can also incorporate affiliate marketing by recommending products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique links. Segment 5. The road ahead. As we wrap up, remember that building a successful YouTube channel and generating ad revenue takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Be patient and persistent in your efforts. So, whether you are already on your YouTube journey or just getting started, know that your passion can truly pave the way to a profitable future. Embrace the possibilities, create valuable content, and watch your channel flourish. Here's a concise summary of what we learned. Segment 1. YouTube offers vast potential for variety of content, attracting an engaged audience. Segment 2. Building a YouTube brand involves category selection, diverse content, consistency, engagement, and branding elements. Segment 3. Attracting views and subscribers requires compelling thumbnails, SEO optimization, engaging content, collaborations, and clear CTAs. Segment 4. Monetization involves joining the YouTube Partner Program, understanding ad formats, factors affecting ad revenue, and exploring sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Segment 5. Building a YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and patience. Your passion can lead to a successful future. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep turning your passion into profit. Until next time.